Hey everybody, we're going to be doing reverse dips. I'm going to be using this ball you get in the doggy department. It's a doggy toy. I cut it in half. I'm going to use it for my reverse dip. I haven't used it before, so this is an experiment. My paint is Saks Acrylic heavy bodied. I use 1 part acrylic and 2 parts Floetrol, 30% water for my base coat. For my paints, I use 1 part Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 20% water. Be sure and paint your canvas first. When you pull the napkin up, it can pull up all your black paint and leave it looking messy. So put a light coat of black on your canvas first. Instead of Floetrol, you can use white all-purpose glue as your thinner. Put a little in the middle just to help your paint flow better. Get out your air bubbles. I'll be using these colors: red, green, orange, purple, and white. Okay, we don't want it to get too close to the sides. I use dry paper towels. It tends to be just too much when it's wet paper towels, too much water. Gently press down. You don't want to run your paints. Let it sit a sec. Okay. Beautiful. That is so pretty. When you pull your towel up, all your paint will go to the middle and get pretty thick. I like to strain that just a little bit and get some of that out. I go around in a circle to do that, and it gives me a nice center. See how much that paint that pulls up? That is a lot of paint in the middle. I use a bent straw. It lets me get right to my piece. When you pour your black paint in the middle and then set what you're using in the middle down, it gives you this ridge of black paint around your flower that lets you blow and move your paint around. If you don't do that, it's too dry. That's got it. That is done. Look how pretty that middle is. This is gorgeous. And when you do your black paint and paint your canvas first, you don't have all that white showing through where you lift your napkin up. You don't have to touch it up or repaint it later.